guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So Crystal had lost a bet, so she is doing a recipe today for you guys that she is calling Yummy in My Tummy Chicken and Rice. So let me show you what we've done so far. So Birgit has been kind enough to help us out with our rice. We have some Zatarain's yellow rice.
Thank you for helping us, Birgit.
Yes, thank you. And then she has cut up our chicken and went ahead and cooked that for us, and that looks yummy too. And we are ready to get started on the rest of the recipe.
Oh, and just so you guys know, we sprayed down our casserole dish.
Yes, we did.
Okay, so Renee, if you would be so kind as to take that Zatarain's yellow rice and put that on the bottom of the casserole dish, please.
Alright, there it is.
And we'll be right back after she does that.
Alright, so our rice is in our casserole dish in a nice layer there. And Crystal, what is next?
You see that chicken there?
That chicken, that yummy looking chicken, yes.
Yep, that goes in next.
Alright.
Then you spread that out.
Gonna make a nice little chicken right. So we have the chicken in. And there's a little bit of thunder in the background. We're getting ready to have a storm. That's kind of becoming a trend on this channel. Storming while we're cooking. I guess that's what you call summer in Florida.
Yeah.
Alright, so Crystal, what is going to be our next step?
Okay, you see that honey?
That honey, yep.
We are using the rest of the bottle.
Alright. Alright, so we've drizzled the honey over it. Now we got a nice little honey glaze over our chicken. Looking yummy. What's next, Crystal?
You see those 2 cans of butter beans?
Yep.
In they go.
We have here 2 cans of Glory seasoned Southern style butter beans that we have drained. And we're going to add those on the top. Alright, so our beans are on. We have a nice layer going there. And
the ingredient is going to be Louisiana hot sauce.
Alright, there it is. And I sure hope we're not using the rest of this bottle too.
No, it's almost all the way full.
Yeah.
We're not using the whole thing. No. But we are going to put on a generous layer.
Okay. And so we've drizzled some hot sauce on there, and we can smell that hot sauce.
Oh, yeah, we can.
Alright, and what are we going to do with it now, Crystal?
Now we preheated the oven to 350. And we're going to put the casserole in for 25 minutes.
Okay, should we put a lid on it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Alright, we'll see you when we're done with that, and we'll see how it's looking. Alright, so it is just out of the oven, and it is looking yummy. We hope you will try this for yourself and let us know what you think in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you can be the first to see our new and upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.